And being a good trader over time is accepting the fact that it's not all about the strategy, about the lines, about whatever the knowledge of the analysis. It comes and it's really deep inside of us and our minds, our brains, because it is your mind is the only enemy stopping you from making money in the future. Because you can always get lazy and say to yourself, okay, I have enough of the stress, fuck it off. I don't want to do it today. I know it is a beautiful entry here, but I don't give a shit about it. And well, so you can become lazy, or you can, whenever you feel that you want to resign, you want to stop, it's probably the best indicator that you should actually push it through. I learned in my life that whenever I got like, nah, I don't want to do it, well, it's a bad idea. Uh, I found out that whenever I forced myself of doing it, it brought me a lot of fun, a lot of knowledge, a lot of money, whatever, good results most of the time. So I was like, I didn't want to ride a horse in my past. I didn't. I just didn't feel like. I mean, I like driving a car. Why should I, sit on an animal and it can move any way and how you drive it? And well, nah, it's not my pair of shoes. And then somebody introduced me to horse riding, and I liked it so much that I didn't realize after like 2 or 3 months I was already doing like 3 horse rides a week, like trainings. I was training, I was, enjoying it, and it is really fun, and I enjoy it until today. So first, I found myself telling to myself that it's a bad idea. I don't like it. I just leave me be. I don't give a shit about it, such things. And then I found out that whenever I hear something like this in my mind, whenever I want to stop trying, that's probably the best moment for you to actually risk something, risk doing it. It is like the critical point most of the time. So if you made a bad trade there and there and there, and you are in a streak of losers, that the good news for you is probably that more losers you will make, it brings you closer to a winner, because they come in streaks. Yeah. And if you are already 3 or 4 or 5 losers in a row, but you're doing everything technically, like according to the technicals, not trading emotionally like revenge trading, I'm talking about executing a plan. So probably you have more chances of the next trade around the corner being a good one. It sounds not intuitive, but it is like this. So more mistakes you will make, more you will learn, and closer you will be to being actually right about the market. Because being right about the market here and here, it's a really nice feeling, okay? But then you have to realize that it's not like, it's not because of your knowledge, it's not because of your crystal ball, it's not because you can foresee the future, it's not because you are a master of the market. It's only because you executed your plan, and this time it worked. It's only because of that. It's not because you are smart, it's not because you're smarter than other people. You just used the strategy, you executed it, you had the outcome, that's it, your account grew. It brings nothing. It's telling, your last trade is telling nothing about you. Your last 2 trades, 3 trades, 10 trades, your account history tells nothing about you. It tells only about the past, how you behaved. But it tells nothing about if you are smart, if you know the market, if you, nothing. It only tells how did you behave on the market. And you can change it every day, but just simply follow the plan. I mean, I find the following the plan the biggest issue of most of the traders.
Yeah,
One of the biggest one
it
recent
probably
years,
is.
especially. It is like I see brilliant analysis on the Discord and people showing, wow, it looks nice. But then when you ask them, did you make this trade? Nah, because it was closing and I didn't like it and it looked like a follow through, blah, 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 blah. So there is a difference between like analyst who is risking nothing, who is just seeing the chart, making funny pictures and telling people how probably the market will behave, uh, between him and a trader who is actually a soldier. If your dad was a military, so you know that every military, every soldier is trained to just pull a trigger and execute the orders. This is the basics of the training. They're not training them first when you come to military. They're not training you in creative thinking and thinking outside of the box. They want you in the box. First of all, you need to follow the orders however you feel, wherever and whenever the order is issued, and wherever you are, they don't care. You just need to follow the orders. And it's the same with the trading. You have your general, major, whatever, your supervisor. So you are your supervisor when you are planning a trade. Then you need to be a good soldier and just follow the fucking order, okay? If you follow the trade, then you can only blame your supervisor. If you follow a plan, you can blame only your supervisor on a poor plan. Then you can blame yourself on a bad plan, but not blame like a negative one, but then find why this plan was bad and or it was good and just didn't work. But then you have something to work on. But if you have a soldier who is not pulling a trigger when he is his ordered to, he stops becoming a soldier really soon, probably. Yeah. So this is, I like this analogy a lot because it's really, we have two personalities when we are trading. First one will be an analyst, and the second one will be a trader. And some people are really good analysts and will never become a good trader. Some of the people can be a really good trader and know really little about the market and how it moves. Because to make money in the market, you really don't need much to make money. You need to have literally one strategy and follow it blindly.